Love is probably one of the most common subjects in the world today. We even have a day for it, Valentine's Day. Okay, if you want to make money and sing secular songs, sing about love. Immanuel love, love, love. Okay, I just sing about love. Okay, and usually it's love tonight. I can't sleep without you. You are gone and I'm sad. Why did I let you go? I'm in trouble now that you're not there. You see, we can all get some money here and make some noise. I mean, you will think that this should be an easy thing for us to talk about, but let me tell you something. Actually, in the Bible, okay, I mean, obviously, you know, the Old Testament was written in Hebrew, the New Testament in Greek. Actually, in the Hebrew Old Testament, there were about a dozen words that were used for love. About a dozen words, different words that were used for love in the Old Testament. Now, when you come to the New Testament, it's not that many, but there are still a couple of words that were used for love in the Old Testament, in the New Greek Testament.